Morning traders, today is 22nd of November. What a blessing day, guys. Amazing trade on all the yen pair. Let me share with you guys how we analyze the market on euro yen. Pretty straightforward. As explained to my trader, market has developed this structure and we were expecting, let's see if the market is going to break this structure or not. But if you look ahead, the market previously respected many time here. And the market developed, as you can see, up channel, and market was at the a support level, and we have seen multiple rejection. And if you look at this candle, bullish engulfing candle, that gives us the high probability that the market might going to reverse and look for counter opportunity, the target around this level, which is around this level, which price nicely hit. Let me share with you guys how we analyze the market in intraday. That was the pretty straightforward. As you can see here, after impulsive, you can see here the market develop another correction and beautiful breakout, long trade, nicely, first target hit, bank amazing profit. Once we bank some profit and asset to matter, look for another structure. Let's see here. As you can see, the market develop another continuation pattern, which is symmetric triangle pattern. But if you look at the previous price action, look at the 4-hour scenario. So we were expecting a breakout long trade. Market nicely broken and hit to the first target as mentioned in 4-hour. That's what explained my trade. It's time to enjoy amazing profit. So guys, you want to see all that analysis and full explanation, detail in real time, most welcome. Join our fast growing trader community. Have a nice day.